Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are taking a deep and detailed look at one of the most futuristic and eye-catching luxury vehicles you can imagine, the 2026 BMW luxury motorhome concept. This is not just a vehicle, it feels more like a high-tech moving palace designed for people who want extreme comfort, bold design, and cutting-edge performance all in one package. From the outside to the inside, and from power to pricing expectations, let's explore everything this incredible BMW concept has to offer. At first glance, the exterior design of this 2026 BMW luxury motorhome looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. The massive front end instantly grabs attention with its bold, vertical grille that clearly reflects BMW's iconic design language, but in an exaggerated and futuristic way. The smooth, flowing body lines combined with sharp edges give it a powerful road presence, making it look more like a luxury train on wheels than a traditional motorhome. The low stance and wide body create an aggressive yet elegant look, while the extended length emphasizes its luxury touring purpose. Sleek LED lighting wraps around the body, including ultra-thin headlights and ambient light strips that add a premium glow, especially at night. The wheels are fully enclosed, enhancing aerodynamics and giving the vehicle a clean, futuristic appearance. Large panoramic windows on the sides not only improve visibility but also make the exterior feel open and luxurious. Overall, the exterior design sends a clear message that this BMW motorhome is built to dominate the road in both style and innovation. Moving inside, the interior of this 2026 BMW luxury motorhome is where the real magic begins. Step inside and you are welcomed into a world of modern luxury, minimalism, and advanced technology. The cabin feels more like a high-end hotel suite than a vehicle. Premium materials such as soft leather, brushed aluminum, and sustainable wood trims are used throughout the interior, creating a warm yet futuristic atmosphere. The layout is extremely spacious, with a flat floor design that maximizes comfort and movement. The driver's cockpit features a fully digital curved display that seamlessly blends the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one elegant screen. Advanced AI assistance controls navigation, climate, entertainment, and even lighting with simple voice commands. The living area is designed for ultimate relaxation, featuring plush seating that can transform into beds, a luxury lounge setup, and customizable ambient lighting to match your mood. A fully equipped modern kitchen is included, with smart appliances, induction cooking, hidden storage, and premium finishes. The bedroom area offers a king-size bed, soft lighting, noise insulation, and panoramic windows that let you wake up to stunning views wherever you park. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a high-end shower, smart water management systems, and luxury fixtures that rival five-star hotels. Every inch of the interior reflects BMW's focus on comfort, innovation, and premium living on the road. When it comes to performance, this 2026 BMW luxury motorhome is expected to be just as advanced under the hood as it is on the surface. Although it is a concept, industry expectations suggest a fully electric or hybrid powertrain designed for long-distance travel with zero or minimal emissions. High-capacity battery packs combined with powerful electric motors would deliver smooth, silent, and effortless acceleration despite the vehicle's massive size. Advanced suspension systems ensure a stable and comfortable ride, even on long journeys or uneven roads. BMW's intelligent driving technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, autonomous driving features, and 360-degree cameras, makes driving this large motorhome surprisingly easy and stress-free. Regenerative braking, smart energy management, and fast charging capabilities would further enhance its practicality for future road trips. This motorhome is clearly designed not just for luxury, but also for efficiency and smart performance. Now let's talk about pricing, which is always an important topic. Since this is a high-end BMW luxury motorhome concept, it is expected to sit at the very top of the market. If it ever goes into production, the estimated price could easily start from around $1 million or even higher, depending on customization, technology, and regional availability. This vehicle is clearly aimed at elite buyers, luxury travelers, celebrities, and business leaders who want a unique and exclusive way to travel in ultimate comfort. It's not designed for mass production, but rather for those who want something rare, bold, and truly futuristic. In conclusion, the 2026 BMW luxury motorhome concept represents a bold vision of the future of luxury travel. With its stunning exterior, ultra-premium interior, advanced performance technology, and exclusive pricing, it redefines what a motorhome can be. BMW has successfully blended automotive excellence with luxury living, creating a vehicle that feels more like a futuristic home on wheels. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want to see more futuristic cars, luxury concepts, and next-generation vehicles, make sure to like the video, subscribe to MH Car Review, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.